Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to the first Bangladeshi Islamic Center in Bremen, Germany, a place where our hearts find peace and our faith grows together. Here we offer weekly Darsul Quran, Majlisus Sunnah, Siratun Nabi, and Quran learning sessions. This is not just a prayer space, it's a center of knowledge and community. In the blessed month of Ramadan, we gathered every evening for iftar and tarawih. We are one ummah. In this mosque, Muslims from different backgrounds come together as a family. We have launched English khutbahs so that international Muslim can also feel connected and included.
Do it here if you can. Do it here.
This is more than a building. This is our spiritual home, a place where our hearts unite in the love of Allah. May Allah accept our efforts and guide us to build a stronger, united ummah right here in Bremen. So my dear brothers and sisters, help your mosque, donate now and confirm your home in Jannah. Jazakallahu khairan for being with us. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.